Hey guys, today I wanted to go over our Baja Rear Bumper that we sell. It is a knockdown kit, and I'm going to go over steps and procedures on how to get this thing together. We just got a new shipment of our tubing in, so let's get to it. Once you receive your Baja Bumper knockdown kit, it's going to comprise of a few things. We've got the main engine hoop here, which we will split in the center for shipping. We will provide a sleeve that'll go in between right here, and you can get it all welded back up. It's going to have a driver's side and passenger side down tube, which will go directly from the center of the cage here and go underneath the motor. It'll have a driver's side and passenger side tube, which will start from the side and come over. All our tubing is pre-marked, so when you go to put the tubings on, there'll be registration marks for you to get them in the right locations. It'll also have a crossbar which will go down once the down tubes get put in. It gets put in between. So let's get lined out. At this point, you want to mark the floor out at 40.5 inches from outside to outside and make sure it's perfectly square. And then you want to make a center line mark at 20.25. Once you establish the center line, mark that out, and then from that mark you want to go 5.25 inches each way off that center line to get the inside edge to inside edge of the two down tubes that you'll be placing on your main hoop. Set the jack stands back and then put your main hoop down and line it up with your marks. Once you got that, you go ahead and put your down tubes up on your jack stands, which are set at 13.75 off the ground, and then you can square off your lines and get your down tubes all squared up. Okay, now I've got the bar set in my temporary box that I put on the floor. I've got the bars where they need to go. I've got the jack stands where they need to go, and I'm using the center bar that actually gets welded here at the end. I'm going to use it for my tacking when I tack in these bars here so I can get the spacing correct. I will also bring it up back to here to get my spacing correct, so everything is pretty much squared up with off the floor. So let's get tacking up. We'll go from here. Okay, now that we have all the sides tacked up, the two bars here tacked up, I actually make a little piece of tubing that's 6.5 inches, and I put it right here and bring this thing down into it. Basically, you could either do this with tape measure or just get a couple pieces of tubing, even 2x4. Okay, let's weld this up. Okay, now that we're fully tacked up, we're gonna weld this thing completely together, and we'll take a look once we're done. So guys, this is how the rear Baja bumper looks once it's fully welded. It does come with the mounting hardware, so you can attach to your frame horns and the shock mounting tabs off the back of the torsion housing. If you have any comments or questions about this particular cage, please leave them in the comment section below and we will get right back to you. If you could please help us out and like and subscribe to this video, it does help with our content coming out in the future. I really appreciate you stopping by and taking a look, and hope to see you real soon.
Please be sure to check out our complete line of chassis parts and accessories, as well as our large selection of all parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiasts. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories geared toward the mag-style fiberglass dune buggies, sand rails, Baja bugs, drag or street performance and vintage VW classic air-cooled vehicles. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, so that you don't miss out on any of our videos or new video releases. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.